Well, yo massa puss. Angels warned me. I said, watch, this thing is going to, and what I said yesterday is okay, I can't invert this thing, put a little safety rope on the actual GoPro mounted to the Joby stick, because there's this one, which I could have used or something, and I didn't. And 4 seconds ago, my bloody GoPro just dropped, hit my left thigh, and thank the Lord, this mic cable held it. Otherwise, it would have been splattered all over the road at 100 k's an hour. And thank God the mic jack didn't drop out. Jesus. Thank you, angels. So no more GoPro. For a little bit. Not sure how we're gonna might have to innovate a little bit to see what we can do, but GoPro is going into my saddle bag, into my tank bag over here. Now I can point everywhere. You see, this is where we are. So my God, that could have been quite a disaster.